How to change name in Happn app. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your name in the Happn app. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. When you log into your Happn account, you will come to the Explore page like this. Now go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the top right. After that, tap on the edit option that you can see below your name. At this stage, you can edit various details such as your photos, your height, and other personal details. However, you can't see any edit option on the right side of name. That is because there is no inbuilt app feature that allows you to change your name. However, there is a process by which you can change your name on the app. For that, go back once and go to your profile. Now tap on the settings icon on the top. Then after, tap on My Data. After that, tap on Change My Data. It will open in a web browser, so select your desired browser. After that, it will load a screen like this, where you will have information about how you can do various things. Now as you can see on the screen under Request Modification and Rectification of My Data, in order to change your name, age or gender, you will have to go to your Facebook page and update the details of your Facebook account if you have created your account using Facebook. So without changing those details on Facebook, you can't change your name and other details on Happn. So unless you want to change the details on Facebook, the only real option is to delete the current account and then create a new Happn account. You can do that easily in a couple of minutes. That's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.